Hey subscribers and watchers, what's up? This is me, Vivs from Slide Nerd here. In this video, we're gonna continue our discussion of the different Android examples. We're gonna talk about how to install another app from your app in Android. Now remember one thing, all before you do this, ask the user's permission, otherwise he or she is gonna get pissed off and uninstall your app because people don't expect that. So you go to main activity, we'll continue the same thing which we have been building in my previous video. So in this case, if you notice, go to activity underscore main, there is this launch market button here. You go to activity underscore main, there's a process that is being called as part of my launch market here, where's Android on click attribute. So inside my main activity, this process method will be called, and I have an if condition to handle that scenario. So inside this, I'm gonna simply create an intent by saying intent. Again, the same thing, Android content intent action view. I should probably have another string at the top that has this thing inbuilt. Now next thing is about the URI. Now the way you do this is something like this. There is this AppSy social engineering kit made by Dolphin developers right here. I'm gonna select the URL over here, Control C, and put this string inside. Now of course it doesn't work like this because this is a general HTTP URL. What we want is we want to remove all this, place a market here, and put double slashes. Now this is a special type of URI that your Android system recognizes. It says market and this link over here that identifies the app you want to install. Again, create the chooser here by saying chooser is intent.createChooser. Now if you remember very well, a chooser is nothing but a dialog that pops up, lets you know what other applications you can work with. So here you simply pass your intent, and I will show you this in action, don't worry. I'm gonna just pass a string here. I'm gonna say launch market over here and start the activity for that particular chooser. So at this point, if I just select this, click run at the top, I'm running this on my phone, and there you go. So there's intents test and there's launch market. Now if I click launch market, as you guys notice, the chooser window pops up, which is what we created here by saying intent.createChooser for this intent. So it simply is a way of saying that who are the apps in the phone that can handle this market URI over here. So there are two of them. There's Google Play Store and there is something called Mobo Market. I'm of course going to take Google Play Store. That's the first one here. So at this point, as you guys notice, the app has popped up right here on screen. I can decide what I want to do with this, install or proceed further in any other way. Now this app by functionality lets you spoof anybody's email, Facebook, Twitter, which is given in the description right down there. So this is the way you can make the user directly go to some app and take a decision whether he or she wants to install it or not. Now if you press back over here, it's gonna go back to your activity which contains this. Now next time if you click launch market, again it's gonna give you the same option about the chooser and it will proceed from there. So in this video we have talked about how to launch someone else's app from your app in Google Play. In the next video we're gonna talk about email and we're gonna proceed further with other things that we can do. In the meantime, if you like what you saw, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comment boxes below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.